Jesus loves me, this I know, for the Bible tells me so. Little ones to Him belong. They are weak, but He is strong. Yes, Jesus loves me. Yes, Jesus loves me. Yes, Jesus loves me. The Bible tells me so. Anything else you need to say to Grandma or Grandpa?
Huh?
You want to say anything else?
Huh?
No? I just thought you might want to say something.
You would say, Happy Christmas.
Happy Christmas.
Happy Christmas. Let's do that one again.